Hey guys, Joey Image here. Quick demo video for you, I guess. So a couple of weeks ago, I've been using these for a couple weeks, and I love it. So I'm gonna show it off to you a little bit. This is the Zhuosheng. It's WM9 or 10, but I have the WM9 version. Wireless microphone system. So it's basically a wireless lapel mic. It's got a transmitter and a receiver. The wireless lapel mic, and the USB adapter I use it on my PC. So let me show this to you. First of all, this is the receiver. It's got, well, you can see right on the top, out and phones. So headphones for headphones, which I don't use. So the out is the, obviously the out signal. Hold on, let me just, so basically, it's a 3.5mm right there, sort of a headphone jack, I guess you would call it. And then this will go right into the out port right here. And then you screw it on. And again, as I said, I am using this. Actually, one really cool, quick thing is that this has got a screw mount right there on the back of it. So I can screw this onto a tripod, onto the top. I can't reach it from here, but I've got a GoPro with a screw at the top of it. I can mount this to that so I can have it always with me, which I like a lot. And this also comes off, so I can take this little mounting bracket off, and then if I want to put it on the other end for the microphone transmitter, I can do that as well. But I usually leave it on here, and then I can connect it right to the top of my GoPro. So that's that. And then again, as I said, I'm using this to live stream, usually on Twitch. So I have the WM9 version, which comes with this USB adapter, as you can see right there. But on the bottom, the two icons, you can see one is for headphones, one is for microphone. So I'm using, obviously, the microphone jack. And this, again, is a 3.5-inch. You can see right there, the standard 3.5-inch headphone jack. There you go. So that plugs right into the headphone port. And we're good to go. Just plug this into my PC. We got a green light. You heard the little noise, I guess, and we're good. Now, for the other half, which is the transmitter, this is what will transmit your voice, obviously, to the receiver, and then receive it in via USB. Again, 3.5mm standard headphone jack. Plugs right into the top. Looks the same, just has mute and mic on it. Plugs right into the top to the microphone port. All right, so I'm going to, now that these are connected, you know what I mean. I'm going to get rid of this mic, and I'm going to turn on that mic so you can kind of hear the difference. And then the range on this is rated for 100 meters. So 100 meters, I'm in the US, 100 meters is about 320 feet, I think 325 feet, maybe something like that. So I am rated for 325 feet. I don't need them for that much. I mean, I'm using them in my house. I'm not really going anywhere. So, but I will still at least give you some type of distance test. So I will leave everything connected and walk out to my kitchen, which is, I don't know, 25, 30 feet down the hallway. And so anyway, put that on. Power button is right here. You will probably see the screen light up. There we go. So power button is on there. Power button is on the receiver. So we are on channel 6, which is just what it was on by default. And by the way, these each take 2 AA batteries, the receiver and the transmitter. So now I'm going to get rid of this mic, and we are going to switch over to that. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, so I'm back now. I'm on the other mic, the wireless, which I'm hoping you can hear. As you can see, I'm on this right now. There we go. We're on channel 6, frequency 569.5. Battery level, all that stuff. And this one has, well, they both do, but this has got the clip in the back, so I can hook this into my pocket or wherever I want. So I'll put this on my pocket for now, just so I've got it on me. So, again, USB on that end, wireless on this end. I'm going to take a walk right now. Let's go. So I am now closing my home office door. And I am now in my kitchen. So, like I said, I'm about I don't know, 20, 25 feet down the hallway, you should be able to hear me fine. Again, this is rated for 100 meters, which I believe is about 320 feet. And now I'm going back to the home office, and I'm hoping the audio is good. You can kind of see how it sounds. Here I am, I'm back. You can kind of see how it sounds, hear how it sounds. And I guess that's about it. I mean, what else can I really tell you? It's a microphone. You plug it in, you talk into it. There we go. But, guys, any specific questions about this? I don't really know what else to tell you. I mean, receivers here. Transmitter is here. Microphone's here. Camera's there. I'm here. Guys, check me out on all social platforms, please. At Joey Image TV. My email address, joeyimage@gmail.com. Again, if you got any specific questions, feel free to shoot them down there in the comments section. Put them in the comments section. I will be reading all of those and answering any questions you got. I'll put a couple of links also to the Amazon page where I bought this. And I guess that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat informative. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.